Oh my God, it's summer. It's been so hot in this city. This town is so dusty. We need to do something about the heat, about the water just being on the street. Oh, come on. What can we do? I wonder if we can just maybe harvest the rain. This is a rain garden that is diminishing flooding, infiltrating water, and bringing beauty to the neighborhood. It has several ingredients. It has mulch, which we recommend 2 inches on depth of that mulch. It has grasses, it has trees, it has rock. So those are the ingredients that you need for a basin. Source of water, a depression, mulch, plants, and sometimes rocks. So no dust, water is infiltrating, and no water in the street.